Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to open this front cover and how to swap the sticks. If you have additional sticks, right, you can swap it. So for that, right, on this back side, you can see this latch, release latch. So you need to move this left side. There is an arrow mark. Automatically the front cover will open. Okay. Automatically the front cover will open. So I'm going to press this, okay, latch, see, it's opened. You can take this out. And here, right, there is a latch. You need to release it. So you need to lift it upside. Okay, there will be an unlock sound. So you can take it out. So it's taken. And the left side also, you need to lift it upside. So it's ejected. You can take it out. So now if you have additional caps, right, you can use that. Also in the carrying case, right, there will be some empty space. So these are for buttons and levers and this housing connector. And if you have extra buttons, right, you can keep it here. So that's it. So that's why they have given it. Okay, I'm going to take it out. So again, I'm going to put it back. Insert. And we have to lock this latch. I'm going to insert and lock it. That's it. Now we have to put the cover. Simply press it. Gently press it. Yes, it's locked. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can remove the sticks and you can place it. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.